Conditions to start the day, but we warmed up really quickly. A lot of us hit those highs into the low to mid 90s, started to build that humidity back into the forecast. Most of us felt just a mugginess across the area, not that full oppressive humidity just yet. We are going to see that on the rise, though, as we head into tomorrow and this weekend. Overall, though, a beautiful day if you're just looking at it. We had some of these cumulus clouds developing throughout the day, and overall those blue skies picked up about 96% of our 91% of our total sunshine today, and that really helped us warm up quickly. What we're also seeing right now, a little bit of a haze in the air across the area. So we do have an air quality alert in effect. That's in effect through tomorrow night for all of Northeast Illinois, expecting that air quality to continue to drop off as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours. Right now, we're in that moderate range, but likely going to fall into that unhealthy for sensitive groups range, especially once we start adding in that smoke from fireworks. There's some shows tonight. There's some shows tomorrow night. That's going to continue to have an impact on our air quality across the area. Temperatures today into the mid 90s, 95 at O'Hare. Normally we're right around 84 this time of year, so more than 10 degrees above normal, and we're going to stay that way as we head into tomorrow and Saturday, back into the low 90s and upper 80s on Sunday, which is going to feel like a drop. Still going to be hot, though. A few spots were into the mid to upper 90s. 96 in Flossmoor was the high today. Our cooler spot near the lakefront Soldier Field at 87 degrees, if you can really call that a cooler temperature. Still in the low 90s at this hour. 92 at O'Hare, 84 at the lakefront in Waukegan, 90 at Midway, and 91 in Gary. And that's what we're going to see as we head through the day tomorrow. A little bit of relief as you get closer to the lakefront. Just a little bit, though. A few degrees cooler than the rest of us. 24-hour temperature change. We've climbed just a few degrees again today. That's what we saw yesterday as well. We have this subtle warming trend in place, so about 3 to 5 degrees warmer across the board. Fairly light winds today as well, about 10 to 15 mile per hour gusts. We've seen those out of the west-southwest for the most part, which has been drawing in some of that warm and moist air. We're also starting to see this lake breeze develop, so that's going to continue to bring us some cooler and drier conditions along the lakefront as we head through this evening. Overall, though, those dew points have come up a little bit into that mid to upper 60 range. So what you'll notice when you step outside, a little bit more moisture in the air, a little bit more muggy when you step out, and that's going to continue to increase overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. Will likely be a lot more humid by tomorrow afternoon. Mainly quiet on our satellite and radar. We're going to stay that way as we head into the next few hours here, but by the overnight hours, likely after midnight, potential of a few isolated showers developing and passing through. Possibility we'll see those into the day tomorrow. If we do see those, they're going to be very spotty in nature, just a quick hit and miss shower across the board. A lot of us, though, going to see some dry conditions throughout the day tomorrow with some sunshine by the afternoon. High is going to be well above normal for the next few days here. 95 tomorrow, 96 on Saturday, 90 on Sunday, and then we're close to normal briefly on Monday, but we pop right back up as we head into Tuesday. And what's going on is we have this ridge of high pressure in place across the central U.S. That heat dome is going to continue to skate off to the east, and that's just going to park across the Great Lakes and the Northeast as we head into Friday and Saturday. That's why we're going to see the hottest temperatures on those 2 days. That's also when we're going to see those winds strengthen out of the southwest, which is going to draw in more moisture from the Gulf, so we're going to see that humidity on the rise as well. Humidity will be a factor as we head into tomorrow and Saturday, mainly dropping off a little bit on Sunday. Tonight, still going to be a little bit muggy for us. We're going to continue to see that high pressure in control. A small disturbance to the north of us will pass through as we head into Saturday night and Sunday, bringing us the potential of some showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, temperatures will be into the mid 70s. Those clouds increasing that potential of some isolated showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Tomorrow, partly cloudy and muggy through about noon. That's when we also have that spotty shower possible. Temperatures into the 80s through noon, and then we really climb into the mid 90s by the afternoon with sunny skies, and that's when we also have that potential of the heat index values near 100 degrees. And then for our evening tomorrow, we're still going to be fairly muggy. Temperatures will be right in